Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Skitty dong dong, Rasta man is high in the Kingston town, yeah man. In the morning light, give thanks for life, give thanks for sight. The world still spin, the youth still cry, so me lift my voice to the sky. Me see too much confusion round, Babylon sound try mash way down. But in a me heart the fire blaze, Jah wisdom guide me through the maze. Them can't stop love, we're pure and clean. Truth shine brighter than it seems. Me walk with courage, soul on fire. Burn down here, lift love higher. Me see the struggle in the street, but every pain bring lessons sweet. No gold, no throne can take your place. Me feel the power in every face. People tired, people cry, but your spirit never die. When me chant, me feel it grow. Roots and culture overflow. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand, spread the light across the land. Light up the world, Jah flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Me remember the elders say, truth comes slow but find its way. Me hold the faith through every storm. Jah protect and keep me warm. No envy, greed or vanity, just peace and unity. The system weak but so still strong. We rise where we belong. Children laugh and elders smile. Hope return for a while. Roots musician beat the drum. Say the better there soon come. The rhythm travel through the crowd. Chant of freedom, chant aloud. Every man and woman free in Jah harmony. Me no war, me no fight, me move in Jah light. Every color, every race, come together, one embrace. The message clear, the vision true. Love is the way for me and you. Yeah. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand, spread the light across the land. Light up the world, Jah flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. We light up the world, don't dim the shine. Bless the people, one divine. RASTA VIBES in every sound. Lift the nation from the ground. Light up the world, stand tall, be true. Jah love dwell in me and you. So when the night feel cold and long, remember Jah within your song. Keep the flame, no let it die. Light up the world, reach the sky. One love forever burn, till every soul return. With no. Morning sunrise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see you.
Chant of the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again, stand tall, Jah love for ya. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street,
Morning sun,
guide the feet.
elder preach.
Youth them learn, all hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Yeah.
Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No fear, no shame.
Just glory in Jah name. My work, na.
Chant of the morning sun.
Na.
Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again, stand tall, Jah love for y'all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Bada bim bada boom boom boom. Coco kush inna me lung, ya man. Raw record inna the dawn. Rasta soldier still strong. Every block, every lane. Feel the lion, reclaim. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me carry Jah name. Them try to trap the soul in fear, but lion had no tear. City walls can't stop the sound. Roots vibration underground. Me no follow what them sell. Me follow the inner bell. Jah call me loud in the breeze. Me spirit move with ease. Every youth a warrior born. From the night into the morn. Hey. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street. Roots man heart can't defeat. Peace and love forever reign. Rhythm carry through the pain. The elders chant from yard to gate. Love conquer it. Every nation, one sound. Jah kingdom spread around. The fire blaze in the eye. Truth and justice never die. From the corner to the park, lion heart ignite the spark. The youth them dance, the people cheer. Jah guidance always near. Me feel the spirit chanting unity. Rise, my people, hold the line. Righteous path divine. Jah protect from every fight. Lead we through the night. Hey. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can defeat. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can defeat. So when the drum beat call again, remember where it all began. Lion spirit never sleep. Jah promise, Jah people keep. Land in the city stand tall. Land in the city stand tall. Land in the city stand tall. Aye, Rasta man is I meditate, yeah, man. From the dust and from the pain, Jah bring the roots again. Every seed we buried deep, now awake from holy sleep. The sun shine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry through time. Me see the youth them plant again, in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for all. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise up the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. Oh, one heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach you youth fi honor the land. Keep Jah spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square. Keep the roots, show the care. Every unplanted seed of love, blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Roots connect every soul. We all part of one whole. Me say the sign, me say the time. Jah reason through the rhyme and jam. Rise of the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build the nation, heal the land. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Zion reggae, yeah morning star in your name. Elders chant and clap the hand. Morning star across the land, not of pride, not of greed. Morning star fulfill the need. Every sparkle strong and true. Morning star
and pray all night. Flame of Jah restore the light, not destruction, not in hate. Flame create Jah righteous faith, every ember pure and strong. Flame of Zion all along. Storm may rage and night may fall, flame of Jah consume it all. Traveler cold upon the way, flame of Zion give him stay. Babylon darkness can't remain. Flame of Jah break the chain, generations gather near. Flame of Zion always here. Prophets say and vision grow, flame of Jah forever glow. Every nation go and pray, flame of Zion guide today. Everlasting, true and free, flame of Jah eternity. From creation till the end, flame of Zion remain free. No corruption, no despair. Flame of Jah is everywhere. Every heart a candle bright. Flame of Zion bring the light. Everlasting holy song. Flame of Jah forever strong. All creation testify. Flame of Zion never die. Burn, burn, holy fire. Lift the people, lift them higher. Glow, glow, strong and free. Eternal flame, eternity. Eternal flame, pure and bright, guide the people through the night. Burn forever, never gone. Flame of Zion, carry on from the past into the new. Eternal flame for me and you.
Ay, ay, ay. Roll a spliff with dry cookies, yeah, man. Mighty ocean wide and deep, secrets holy it does keep. Wave of courage, tide of grace, ocean carry Jah embrace. Babylon fortress can withstand, ocean wash across the land. Every current strong and Ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright. Ocean shining Jah light. Moon and star above declare. Ocean blessing everywhere. Not of vanity, not of greed. Ocean give what people need. Everlasting, strong and true. Ocean guide both me and you. Every creature big and small. Ocean hold them one and all. Whales sing and dolphin play. Ocean chant Jah every day. Prophets walk the sandy coast. Ocean praise Jah Holy Ghost. Eternal water never cease. Ocean of strength bring peace. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Roll, roll, waves so strong. Ocean chant Jah holy song. Ocean of strength, deep and free. Carry the world in unity. Wash the sorrow, heal the pain. Ocean of Zion still remain. Forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah most high. Oh yeah, say baby. Forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah most high.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Na 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 Zion, man. Shining bright from heaven high. Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt Jah name. Forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong. Guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light call Jah name. Na 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 Zion man. Na 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 Zion man. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light bring Jah peace. eternal flame. Zion light, call your name. From age to age, from night to dawn, Zion light keep shining on.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae, man.
Yeah. Peace of Zion fill me soul, make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace for me and you. Zion peace calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion peace all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion peace, bring your peace. It soothe the heart, it heal the land. Zion peace, by your hand, forever shining bright and clear. Zion peace forever near. Me feel it flow in gentle breeze. Zion peace across the seas. No man stop it, no man bind. Zion peace for all mankind. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion peace more than gold. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion peace, the holy tide. It's rise eternal, never gone. Zion peace forever strong, forever flowing pure and true. Zion peace carry you. It still the night, it calm the day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal blessing strong and free. Zion peace, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion peace still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion peace be one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal calm, eternal song. Zion peace forever long. Come strong, come deep. Zion peace me soul keep. No war, no hate can take away. Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion peace still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Spliff deep in the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high. Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, eternity. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound.
Zion win all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion win, call your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion win, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion win for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion win, bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion win, bring Jah breeze. It sing this song, it spread the word. Zion win, always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion win, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion win, Jah hand. It move eternal, strong and wide. Zion win the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion win everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion win of holy birth. Eternal blowing, never gone. Zion win, keep it strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion win still remain. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion win, wear the crown. Zion win, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion win, all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion win, forever born. Blow strong, blow high. Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind, wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion win, all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion win, forever born.
Ay, ay, ay. Jamaica Ashisha man. Early morning sunrise from me windowsill. Burning herbs with peace. Jah love I feel, me soul awaken. No stress, no war. Just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I and I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant na ya bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. I rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. We With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright, me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Hear the drums of Africa, they call me name. Ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land where peace a stay. No politics, no wicked plan. Only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true. Under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chant psalms and dance in grace. With sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane. Through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong. And every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me nah be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every show and chant for peace forevermore.
Zion reggae, yeah man. High above the clouds so bright, throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace, where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love, every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true, hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. It stand where prophet voice was heard, it echo every holy word. It shine the truth, it shine the flame, lift the soul in Jah true name. No king of man can take the seat, throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule the space, throne eternal, throne of grace. It call the children one by one, say come home, the work is done. It heal the wounded, break the chain, bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from sea to star, throne of Zion guide so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. We see the vision in me dream, throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray, throne will guide you every first chant till time is done. Throne forever, Holy One. Seat of love, of peace, of flame. Throne eternal, praise your name. Stand firm, stand tall. Throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end.
Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Walk the Zion path so true. Jah Jah guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path, straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me, soul be strong. Zion path, me walk along. It guide the children, guide the land. Zion path by Jah hand, forever holy, never stray. Zion path the righteous way. It climb the hill, it cross the sea. Zion path eternity. From dawn to dusk, from night to day. Zion path the only way. Me trod the road with the psalm in hand. Zion path across the land. It lift me soul, it heal me mind. Zion path for all mankind. No Babylon can shake me ground. Zion path always found. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion path carry you. It shine eternal, shine so bright. Zion path Jah light, forever glowing, never cease. Zion path bring Jah peace. It call the nations, call them home. Zion path never roam. Eternal roadway, pure and strong. Zion path we trod along. When the trumpet sound again, Zion path still remain. Forever shining, pure and free. Zion path destiny. From age to age, from day to night. Zion path forever light. Eternal journey, true and long. Zion path me heart belong. Step firm, step true. Zion path for me and you. No chain, no wall can block the way. Zion path here fi stay. Zion path, straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me, so Zion path, me trudge away.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Flow so strong from mountainside, river carriage a pure guide. Every drop a healing stream, wash away the wicked scheme. Cool the soul, refresh the land. River flow by Jah command. No drought can dry, no wall restrain. River bless the earth again. River of Zion deep and wide, carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. It run through valley, run through plain. It feed the seed with gentle rain. It give the thirsty child to drink. Teach the elder how to think. No poison spoil, no hand control. River cleanse the weary soul. From high to low, from shore to sea. River flow eternally. It sing a song of love and peace. It chant until the wars all cease. It whisper, come lay down your fight. Walk in Jah and live in light. It tell the world we live as one. River flow till work is done. Every ripple tell Jah name. Flowing strong with holy flame. Me sit beside the river clear. Feel Jah presence drawing near. It guide me hand, it wash me face. Fill me soul with righteous grace. It teach me heart to heal and give. Show the path of how to live. No end, no start, just circle run. River flow till time is done. When the night falls start to rise, river shine beneath the skies. Moon above and stars reflect. River show what soul connect. From first dawn to final day, river never fade away. Living stream of Zion bless. Wash the world in righteousness. Flow deep, flow strong. River sing the ancient song. From mount to sea, from birth to end. River of Jah, always friend. River of Zion, deep and wide. Carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon. River sing Jah, holy tune. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon. River sing Jah, 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 Jah.
Zion Raga, blow so free across the land. Wind of Jah by holy hand. Carry seed, it spread the song. Guide the people all along. Every gust a message true. Every breeze a voice for you. Wind of Zion whisper clear. Tell the world Jah spirit near. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever forever clean. It moved the tree, it shake the ground. It carried chanting sacred sound. It bring the rain, it cool the flame. Blow away the world of shame. No man control, no king restrain. Wind of Jah forever reign. From desert dust to ocean shore. Wind of love forevermore. It guide the ship across the tide. It lift the eagle high in pride. It move the cloud, it shift the sky. Tell the people never die. It speak through leaf, it sing through stone. Wind remind we not alone. Every breath it give to man. Gift eternal from Jahan. Me stand and feel it on me skin. Hear the holy voice within. It says stay firm, don't lose your way. Wind will guide you night and day. It move the drum, it move the song. Carry chant the whole night long. No silence still, no chain can bind. Wind of Jah is free and kind. When the evening shadows grow, wind still whisper soft and low. It guard the child, it lift the old. Tell the tale of love retold. From birth to death, from rise to fall. Wind of Jah embrace us all. From start of time to endless years. Wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong. Wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah bring soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever clean. From sky to land, from sea to shore. Wind of Jah forevermore.
Asian rise, Zion roots. Woulda. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. The herb make me strong like a lion bold. Wisdom flow more precious than gold. Every puff a story told. Just love eternally can't get old. Bubba kush and lemon haze. Sacred smoke make the spirit raise. Meditation deep, me at a blaze. The herb are the key for brighter days. Healing vibes in the air. Herb are the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, just love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. In the night when the stars shine bright, ganja bring peace, make the world feel right. The smoke a signal, a sacred light, guiding me soul through the darkest fight. From the roots of Zion to the city lane, herb unite, take away the pain. Babylon can't stop the love we've gained. Healing vibes forever remain. This ya herb a bridge for the soul. Connecting hearts make the people whole. The message clear, it's jazz roll. Healing vibes forever the goal. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. From the chalice smoke to the drum beat strong. Herb are the anthem of jazz song. Forever me chant, it can't be wrong. Healing vibes carry us along.